In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bulleted list in Google Docs in just 5 minutes. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by text-heavy documents, you know how beneficial a well-organized bulleted list can be. It's a simple yet effective way to break down information into manageable chunks, making it easier for you or your audience to digest the content. So, let's dive right in and learn this handy skill. Start by opening your preferred web browser. If you're like most people, this might be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or even Safari. Once you've got your browser open, head over to the search bar and type in Google Docs. Hit Enter, and you should see Google's suite of productivity tools as one of the top results. Click on the link to Google Docs to proceed. Once Google Docs has loaded, you'll need to access your account. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your email and password to access your documents. In case you don't have a Google account, you may need to set one up before continuing, which is a straightforward process involving just a few steps. Now that you're logged in, it's time to select the document you want to work on. You should see a list of your recent documents on the main screen. Click on the document where you want to add a bulleted list. If you're starting from scratch, just click on the blank option to create a new document. Once inside your chosen document, think about where you want to position your bulleted list. Place your cursor at the spot where your new list will begin. It's essential to choose a location that will enhance the readability and organization of your document. Now, let's create the list. Look towards the top of the page and find the toolbar. Within this toolbar, you'll see an icon that represents a bulleted list. It looks like 3 horizontal lines with a dot next to each one, pretty hard to miss. Give it a click, and you'll notice that a bullet point appears where your cursor was placed. At this point, you can start typing your first list item. Don't worry, creating additional list items is easy. Just press the Enter key after typing each entry. This action automatically generates a new bullet point for you, making the process a breeze. Simply continue this way until your list is complete. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create a bulleted list in Google Docs. Whether you're organizing a simple grocery list or drafting a detailed report, this feature will surely come in handy. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment and get comfortable using it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to explore further as there are many more features in Google Docs that await your discovery.